How's it going, my beardless brothers? My baby-faced brethren? That's terrible. My name is Ryan, and I'm 21, and I just started my minoxidil journey this week. Like most people, I've been using the Kirkland brand, 5%, and I got a 3-month supply. I'm hoping to go longer than 3 months, but for now, I just wanted to start there. I live with two guys this summer who both could grow really nice beards, and I often had this situation happen to me. Hey dude, you missed a spot when you were shaving. Oh no, see actually that's the only place where it grows. I just get
That's great. I don't remember caring.
my neck. I've been there too. If you're like me, you'd like to grow something just to have the option not to have a baby face. I looked into minoxidil myself, and I want to shout out Minoxbeard Venture and Minoxbeard Bro for the two people who basically got me started on my journey. I want to make videos documenting my journey, maybe every week for the first 8 to 10 weeks, and then every 2 weeks after or something like that. I also want to make some videos on maybe what you should be thinking about if you're going to start minoxidil, the side effects that might occur if you take it, whether or not you should be derma rolling or using BIOTIN at the same time, maybe how to trim the beard if I ever get one. So if you want to follow my journey, or if you want to see any of my maybe helpful tips and tricks, make sure you subscribe. Without further ado, let's get close. So what you're looking at right now is about 5 or 6 days of growth on my face. There's some strength in the mustache and chin area, maybe a little on the sideburns, and not much else. For personal reasons, I actually have to shave today, so I'm going to cut back to a video from 5 days ago where I'm showing you 3 weeks of growth on my face. This is me, about 3 weeks of growing out my facial hair before starting minoxidil. So, yeah, you can see not a whole lot going on. A little bit of sideburn action, a little bit of under the chin, not much. Here's my mustache. Looks kind of weird. It's about the same. Very weak areas here. Nothing here. Even like in the middle of my chin, I don't grow anything. So basically nothing starting out. Hopefully it helps. So stay tuned. If you're interested, stay tuned. Follow my journey. I'm going to post every week if I can. Maybe every Wednesday. If there's anything you like to see, anything you want to know, leave it in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer your questions. The biggest thing to remember is it's not a magic growth potion, and it takes a long time. This is a journey, and it's going to take a while. If you're interested in sticking around to watch my journey, be sure to subscribe and maybe hit the bell icon. I hate when people say that. If you're looking to get minoxidil for yourself, stay tuned. I'll let you know how it goes for me. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.